Hey, welcome. In this video, I will share with you a very simple strategy that you can implement right away to 10x your Facebook ads results, no matter the kind of product you're advertising. This will help you reduce your ad cost and also give you a decent return on ad spend. And if you have a dead or dying campaign, this will also help you revive it so you can get good sales conversion. Okay guys, so without further ado, let's get started with today's video. Okay guys, so welcome back. You see, this particular strategy that I'm about to share with you, I've only shared it with my premium Facebook ads student. This was about 2 to 3 months ago in a live class. I'm just saying this that it works, and this is what I currently use. Well, I don't know why I'm sharing this, but I'm saying this for you to implement, because if you don't implement, you will see no result. Okay, so let's jump right into it. So this video will be in 2 parts. I'll just explain the strategy, then I'll jump into the Facebook Ads Manager to walk you through how you can implement the strategy. So the strategy we'll be using is formation 133 or formation 133. You can decide to expand it to formation 155. The most important thing here is you understanding the concept of the strategy. So formation 133 stands for 1 campaign, 3 ad sets, and you have 1 ad each in each of these ad sets. Do you get it now? So that makes it 3 ads. I hope that's very clear. And what we'll be using here is ABO, which is ad set budget optimization, not CBO. I need to clarify that because you might probably be asking in the comment section. So here is the thing, this is the breakdown of the whole thing. Now you have 1 campaign. Now the ad sets, you still have the same thing, the same targeting, the same budget, everything will be the same at the ad set level. But at the ad level, you need to have the same video ad but different video thumbnail. So that's a variable here. The variable here is the video thumbnail, not even the video ad itself. Do you get it now? So I just introduced video ad to the equation. So you need a winning video ad. So here is the thing. If you have a campaign that was doing well before and suddenly it is dying or it is dead already, you can use this to revive it. Do you get it now? Or you are just launching your campaign. Probably you are launching a new product, a new offer. That is fine. You can also use this. All you need to do is test your video ads, test it, and whichever one is the winner, you can use it for what I'm about to share with you in this video. But here is the thing, I'll not be going into showing you how to test video ads creatives or Facebook ads creatives. I've discussed this in details in all of my some of my videos, and this is what I advise you do. Make sure you check the description. Always check the description of my videos. I do recommend video tutorial for you to watch that will help you, that will add to your knowledge. So make sure you do check. Okay, so as I've said, I would jump into the Ads Manager to walk you through how you can set up all of this. But before then, please do well to like this video so that YouTube can show it to more people. Give it a thumbs up so YouTube show it to more people that are looking for similar video tutorial, similar video solution. And if this is your first time on my YouTube channel, do well to also subscribe, because I share and publish valuable video content just like this one you are about to watch. And guys, I just introduced something on my channel, so at the end of each video I'll be giving a shout out to one of my awesome and amazing subscribers. So just drop a comment and it might be the one I'll be giving a shout out to at the end of the video, which I'll start today. Okay guys, so enough said. Let me walk you through and show you the practical way to implement this strategy. Listen, this is a simple strategy, but if a strategy is complicated, then trust me, it might not work. Do you understand? So let's get started. Okay guys, so as I've said, you just need one campaign. So I'll just put this as demo, and today is November 2, scheduled for the next day. I will do it on the channel, right? Okay, so go to the next level, which is the ad set. So let me just name this ad set 1, just to show you what this is all about. Okay, conversion with purchase, right? And budget, I'll just set 10. Then I'll schedule for next day. This is just to show you how I do it. Okay, scroll down, location Poland. Well, maybe because I'm in Poland, even though I'll be targeting Nigerians. Okay, so gender, let me just leave every other thing the way it is, but I'll change the placement. Let me change the placement. Okay. Well, if you are not new to my channel, all of this will also not be new to you. Alright, now let's create our ad. So let me just select one of my pages here. Then scroll down. So I'll just create a demo ad. The most important thing here is to show you what the strategy is all about. So I'll just pick this particular video. Okay, I think, yeah, this one. Then next, this will be shown recommended. This ad will not, okay, let me just choose this. It's actually just an ad for my YouTube course. So I'll just type into something here. Don't forget, this is just a demo campaign. This is not the real copy, but there is no time. Okay, so let me just copy this as well. Okay, so I think that's all. And let me just put something at the headline. Build a cash generating video YouTube channel. Sorry, YouTube channel. By the way, you can go check it out. Just go to adelikesamuel.tech. Alright, so now that you have written your ad copy, your ad video has been uploaded. Now this is where then you go to edit media. What was happening here?
A few moments later.
So here is the thing. I have to pause this video because before you would see edit video. When you click this edit, you see something like edit video. But I noticed it was not there again. That's why I was unable to update the thumbnail. I could have just cut that part out and just continue with the video. But I'm trying to show you and tell you here that reality happens. Funny enough, this was working without any issue as at this week. Right now that I'm trying to record this video, I just encountered the issue. So this is to tell you and show you the ever dynamic Facebook ads platform. They are always updating. So let me just share with you what I did. So right now you cannot easily edit your thumbnail. So this is the little hack that you should implement. So just go back to your ad set. This is what I tried and it worked. So I just tried figuring it out. Spent another 30 minutes doing that. And this is one of the reasons why you should subscribe to my channel. And you see, so we look for solution to all problems and you get updated of the latest happenings on the Facebook ads platform. Okay, so what you do is have or include a new placement. Even though you want to use Facebook feed only, just include a new placement Then you go back to your ad, and scroll down. Okay, now you see multi-advertiser ads. So just scroll down, then click on this arrow. Can you see? Click on this arrow, this drop down arrow. Then you see the video for Facebook feed and Instagram feed. So just click on this pencil icon, edit. Before, this is straightforward, but right now you need to do it this way. Can you see? Now we have the option to change, crop and trim, and even change the thumbnail. Trust me guys, this actually destabilized all of my plans, so I just had to figure it out and I'm happy I did. Okay, so click on your thumbnail and click on manual. Then you'll be able to upload your image. So here you can just upload one of your product images. You get it now? So just look for 3 of your product images that you are promoting, and if it is not a physical product, just try to get try to get 3 different images. It could be image of a person, image of a product, or a graphics design, something. You can just use it that way. Or if you have product images, just use it. So you can decide to upload, even though I'll not be uploading here. I think I have some already on my ads manager. So just upload, click on upload, and you'll be able to upload the image. But I think I have some here already. So I'll just select this. So I've selected this as my video thumbnail. What this means is people actually see this thumbnail, this image first before they see the video. So if you have a very nice thumbnail, it will attract people to watch your video ad, which means you get people attention to watch the video ad. You get it now? So that's just the whole explanation. So let me see if I delete if I change the placement. Let me see if I change the placement to Facebook feed again. Let me see if the thumbnail will still be there. So I'm trying to experiment live with you guys, and I might just cut this off, not to make the video longer. So let me see. Perfect. So it is there again. Now, so once you have done this, now you already have one campaign, one ad set, and one ad with the video ad creative, but you change the thumbnail, right? So another thing you want to do here is this. Your work is almost done. So just come to the ad set level, and this 3 dots, click on it, then click on duplicate. So if you want to do this 3 times or 4 times or 5 times, just put the number of copies here. But I will do 2 more times, 2 more copies, then I'll duplicate. Easy peasy. Okay, so let me see if I'll be able to change the thumbnail for these new ones. If not, I'll go add the Instagram feed placement. Let's see if this will work. Facebook is just complicating their platform. Can you see it's not working? Thank God you are watching this video. If not, you will not know about this. Okay, so let me just update. Let me just add the Instagram feed, and you should know why I did that already. So I'll go to, let me rename this as ad 2. Okay, then scroll down, then click on this drop down menu again, and then edit, then thumbnail. Okay, thumbnail. So you can decide to upload from your library, from your media library inside of Facebook. So let me just select this one. And I'll click on continue. Okay guys, so one more thing. Let's assume you are using 3 ads or 3 ad sets now. You can decide to upload 2 images. Then the last one, you can leave it as automatic. So let me just click on save now. Let me click on save. Can you see now? Then I would just go back to this ad set. Let me go back to the ad set. Then scroll down. So I'll just remove this Instagram feed placement again. I'll just remove it. You actually don't need it unless you are running Instagram ads. Okay, so I think that is done. Okay, so let me just rename this as ad set 2. We can use something that you can easily identify, but I'm just trying to be fast with this tutorial. Okay, now for the last one, which is ad set 3, so I suggested you can leave one of the ad sets to be automatic thumbnail. So what will happen is Facebook will automatically pick any of the frame from the video, because videos are collection of frames, right? So Facebook will automatically just pick one that probably will convert instant. But wait, I've been saying probably in this video. Okay, so can you see I cannot edit the thumbnail, which is fine. So we'll just leave, we cannot leave it as this, but you understand what I'm trying to say, right? So just make sure one of the ads you are using the automatic thumbnail. So I don't just want to go through the stress again. So just publish your campaign and to start running. Trust me, you will be shocked with the way the conversion will start rolling in. But of course, there are some things you need to do once you start getting your sales conversion. You need to optimize and even manage the campaign, but that's not what we are talking about in this particular video. Yo guys, just a quick one. This is to let you know my Black Friday sales is currently on, and trust me, this will be the most juicy Black Friday offer you see this period, and you can get 50% discount on all of my courses. But here is the thing, every week it decreases by 10%. So by next week it will be 40%, upper will be 30%, like that till November 30. So if you're interested, just go to adelikesamuel.tech/BF, not adelikesamuel.com, adelikesamuel.tech/BF. Boyfriend, yeah, you understand. So just check it out. And if you're a business owner, entrepreneur, a digital marketer, but you have not started planning or planned your Black Friday offer, I would advise you get started already. If you don't know how to do that, don't worry, I got you covered. So just check out this particular video. It will walk you through step by step how you can do this. So I'm recommending you check this particular video. Okay guys, so that'll be all for now. Before you go, make sure you like, comment, and also share this video. And I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.